So my friends, welcome to a new crypto update video. Today we're going to take a look at Gala. I asked you again what your altcoin favorites are. Gala was mentioned quite a few times, and I believe that was mentioned before as well. That's why I thought, okay, come on, let's make a Gala video now. Right now we're at 2 cents. The question was, are we possibly seeing a new all-time high here? I will also address that, but I have to disappoint you here. Honestly, I don't believe it. Why, how, and for what reason, we will definitely look into that in today's update video. So stick around until the end to check it out. But before we start, feel free to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet, and of course, feel free to join the free Telegram chat and Signal group. If you're interested in updates, news, and signals, feel free to join. You can find the link for that for free down in the video description, and otherwise, if you're still looking for an exchange, where you can trade all of that, which we always discuss here on the channel. You can do that at my partner, Make Exchanges on Binx. You can find the link for that down in the video description, and that supports the channel, or rather, me. So, Gala, as I said, at 2 cents or just under 3 cents. We had a nice sell-off here after our interim rally. Until the beginning of December, we were at just under 6 cents or over 6 cents. After that, it went back down here first. 57% shook down. And I keep mentioning it over and over. Again, because there hasn't been a big altcoin season yet. But just as an example, no matter where you got in with Gala. Here, for example, 300%, or now also here, if you bought this dip, then 300% again, then you would have already made your 600%, just to point out, without always jumping in right at the bottom. So, it's better to follow the system, take some profits, and then maybe buy back in at the bottom. It just makes more sense. And Gala is really a prime example with a nice, quick pump. Then the price goes back to where it ultimately started. Price reverts where it ultimately started, and again, this pump, and the price is going back up. And that's exactly how it was now. Here we had a little bit more, problems, or rather, support. Through the golden pocket, we've now filled the wick here. First important point, second important point. Now here in this zone, the 200 SMA is on the daily view. Plus there's a little wick down here. This means we have the potential to drop down to about 0.025 cents before we might get a reversal here. But I really like the structure down here. Much better than here at the golden pocket, because as I said, we had a long wick here. It definitely should have been filled. Same game here, and here. Down here, we simply have the 0.786 level plus the 200 SMA on the daily view. Also, the RSI is going down and the volume is going down. Gala fans may see a bottom forming, that we might see a small bottom formation here. And for all the Gala enthusiasts who still believe in this project, this could possibly be a small DCA area. The second one down here, 0.016 cents, yes, lows. 0.016 cents, and then down to the, yes, bear market, lows. Are we going to hit the all-time high again? I've illustrated this a bit for you here. So basically, if someone were to tell me, wow, the chances of hitting the all-time high are about 6,600%. Crazy, really, really crazy. The returns possible here are amazing. But now comes the big part. But just take a look at this. Coin market cap, changing price to market cap. And there you see we currently have a market cap of 1 billion US dollars. The all-time high was at 5 billion. That means, in my opinion, there's only a 5x potential here because so many tokens have come onto the market. And then it means, yes, it's no longer that we will even reach the all-time high. So I actually expect that we won't see such pumps, because that would be truly insane with such a market cap, but rather that we could find ourselves somewhere up here again between, let's say, around 8 cents, because we also have a decent wig up here. But even that, if you start from the current position here, if you go in from here, it would be 200 to 300%. Then we would almost be at the golden pocket just considering the market cap. So you really have to be extremely careful. My absolute maximum would probably be 500%. Now for the first time, that would also be roughly the inefficiency up here at about 16 US dollar cents. So up here in this price range, that would be just for me right now. Maximum, that would be 5x. I personally don't believe it. I'm not going to invest here either. Feel free to share your opinions down below about whether you're invested here and what your price targets are. But that makes me a bit suspicious, so I would just be careful. When the all-time high is at a 5 billion market cap, and now it's 1 billion, we just stay cautious. Don't let yourself be surprised by such moon predictions, and feel free to write your altcoin wishes in the comments below. There's an altcoin coming every day now, and that's it from my side. I wish you all a nice day. Take care, leave a like, subscribe, join the Telegram group. And we'll hear from each other in the Telegram group. Until then, CIAO, ciao, and as always, stay crypto.